Hey there. Here we are in Nigeria, Africa's largest economy and its biggest car market, a country where fuel prices are high and maintenance costs explode. Choosing the right car is more important than ever. Today, we will discuss what is on every Nigerian car owner's mind. For my next car, do I buy a fuel-efficient petrol car or an electric car? And which will be cheaper and better to operate in Nigeria? For decades, petrol-powered vehicles have been the go-to choice for Nigerian drivers. Nigeria's fuel subsidy meant that operating petrol cars was cheap and affordable, and the large network of petrol stations and garages also made fueling and maintaining petrol cars easier. Of more than 12 million registered vehicles on the streets of Nigeria, over 85% of them have petrol engines. But here is the thing. In recent years, the Nigerian government has struggled to pay the petrol subsidy, and now it is thinking about removing it completely. This has caused the petrol price to rise sharply and the fuel shortages that occur upwards of 6 times a year. With petrol becoming more expensive, Nigerian consumers now seek fuel-efficient cars to save money, but for some these cars may be too small or look a bit somehow, and they still can cost a lot in fuel and maintenance. With never-ending rise in petrol prices, Nigerian consumers need better alternatives even for fuel-efficient petrol cars. At Zap Mobility, we bring such vehicles, and they are driven by the latest EV technology and engineering. We offer great cars with great design and the right fuel-saving technology, and Zap will also help with the energy supply. Our electric vehicles come from 3 leading Chinese brands, Li Auto, Leap Motor, and Hozon Autoneta. They fit different market needs and are designed to be hyper-fuel efficient, large enough to move big boys and girls, and that have modern exterior styling and luxurious interiors that we Nigerians appreciate. For those who worry about charging, we also offer advanced technology, range-extended models. These are the high-tech electric vehicles that have the ability to go much further distances, like 1,300 kilometers. They can do this because they have a backup energy source inside the car that can produce more electricity for the car. So even if there was no light or you do not meet a charging point, the car would still work. This technology is found in our SUVs, and it is 2 to 3 times more fuel efficient than the most efficient petrol SUVs. I mean, imagine a Land Cruiser that you drive Lagos to Ibadan 8 times on 1 tank of fuel. Zap also helps with energy by offering solar power generated from plentiful sunlight that lights up Nigeria every day. We provide you with solar panels and a EV charging point that you can install on your carport at home or the office. These panels are guaranteed for 20 years and give you control of when you charge and also additional energy for your house. By switching to EVs or extended EVs, you're taking control of your energy and also helping secure sustainable resources for future generations. You may wonder if these EVs are vulnerable to wear and tear when driven on Nigeria's bumpy roads. Don't worry. Our manufacturers have used their experience of selling 1,000s of cars in Asia to make rugged cars that come with a long warranty and free servicing. For the smallest or older cars, a fuel-efficient petrol might make sense. But for those looking for SUVs and other vehicles, the electric and extended electric EVs will save the owners a lot of money whilst providing a stylish and luxurious ride and clean solar electricity at home or at work. With the ability to charge at home and a range of over 1,300 kilometers, these SUVs will see you driving past fuel queues, wondering and smiling, knowing that with solar, even PHCN cannot catch you. So join the electric vehicle transformation with Zap Mobility. Visit our website or call us today to explore our exciting range of EVs, start saving money, and help drive Nigeria toward a cleaner, brighter future. Thanks for watching.